Dr. Jaiprakash, having 27 years of experience. I did my PhD in health insurance in India, and I am a serial entrepreneur. This is my second startup. First startup is almost 8 years old. It's a product, and we got a lot of awards for that one. Uh, why we started this one? Mainly because when we come to health bits, and then it moved into say groceries, then food. Swiggy is coming. Now what next? It's more related to health related, mainly because we lack a lot of exercises and all those things completely. So we are tend to develop some health problems. World Health Organization talks about prepare yourself for a health emergency. That is very important. But how many people are preparing ourselves for health emergencies? For example, we think we are having enough adequate health insurance which will take care of it. But when we get admitted in the hospital only, we will come to know that there are so many deductibles which leaves you with a little less money, which we have to bring it up. And similarly, we are hearing that though people are doing a lot of exercises and all those things, following nutrition things, but suddenly die of a heart attack completely. What does it bring to the table is basically, right now a lot of health apps are available in the Google Play Store, Amazon Play Store, whatever it is there actually. But all are working in silos. For example, when you go to Practo talks about the doctor, which doctor who is best and whatever it is there, it is giving and all. So the user of Practo is limited to exposure only to the doctors completely. You go to Healthify Me, it is just having a nutrition. So you have the user's basis of nutrition and all those things. One step back, when we go back. So the users of Healthify Me is separate, and we are having the healthy habits of all the nutrition values and all, how he is behaving on all that one. When we go to the Practo, we know that which user is accessing what doctor for what purpose and all those things. Second, though we get all the users and we face some health emergencies and all those things. Third thing is we need to have a money. There you have a lot of apps which are actually helping you for the crowdfunding and all those things, which is there on that one. But we don't have any specific thing. So we don't have any specific thing with respect to technology where we get the user behavior with respect to how a person is preparing oneself for preventive health care, number one. In terms of any emergencies comes completely, how we can help him financing. So that is very important. How we can do this one. And on side of it, basically what we see is that we thought of creating a one-stop shop. That is where we thought of like a Think Pink Health Solutions. Where we thought is that we get more users and prepare them. Preventive healthcare in India is very much lacking. So we prepare them for preventive healthcare, and in case of emergencies, we thought of linking them to the good doctor, because there are a lot of doctors. For example, even in coronavirus in China, what we are facing right now, though China is very much advanced in healthcare, but still they are again falling back to traditional Chinese medicine to take care of the things and all. So there is a mix and match. Sometimes even in my family, some cancer patients were cured through Siddha and Ayurveda, apart from allopathy. So there are a lot of user experiences coming on. So user experience should be shared. There may be a good doctor available in Bangalore for a specific treatment, but we are not aware of that one. But the doctor will be very good for only specific that one, because you would gain the expertise, because always doctors practice themselves, right? So we thought of pulling all the information so that a user, whenever he is feeling that to think of a health, he'll come to the app. Whether it is related to preventive care, or it is related to any doctors, or it for fitness, or for insurance. In insurance, what we thought is that basically, I'll just, since time is limited, I want to. So what we thought of doing is that, since I come from analytical background also, and we have created a product for analytics and all those things, what we thought is that collect the user bases and do AI and machine learning on all the aspects basically, so that what are the probabilities of a guy falling sick? What are the preventive medicines he has to take it up and all those things? For example, like preventive medicines and all, or even medicines. There are a lot of people for when we talk about cancer. There are a lot of startups which are actually supplying cheaper cancer medicines, but not that information is reaching to the people. So what we thought is that we thought of just bringing all the things in one shot. And similarly for insurance, we think we go to the Policy Bazaar and all those things, which is like a IRCTC website, where you go in the sense like, why we are using IRCTC website, we know the source and destination, you book and go. But when we go for, say, for example, a foreign tour taking all your family, We don't go to the make my trip and book. We may go to a travel agent, check them, saying that no, because we may be taking a family, elder parents and all those things. So we may have a personalized thing. So what we have developed is a machine learning to identify what should be the ideal insurance. When you go to the policy bazaar and all, it just asks how much insurance you want. But what is the ideal insurance? Somebody should look into that, and we have developed a machine learning algorithm which will tell with some 85% accuracy what should be the ideal insurance for you, what should be the optimum insurance for you. In case of any fallback of insurance and all, which are all the startups, fintech startups, which can give you a loan, so that because you will be getting admitted in the hospital. So you will be able to get arrange for the funds when you are in hospital. Not necessarily you should fall in sickness. You prepare yourself by preventive health care, by following some sort of fitness and all those things. So and also give a lot of advisories. The app, we are planning to give a lot of advisories, so that anybody thinking of health, they just comes like Amazon. What we plan to be like a Amazon for healthcare. So like Swiggy is for food, we want to become like Amazon for healthcare. What we tried is that we just completed an app and launched a beta version, so 100 downloads. So we are surprised to know that we gave a presentation. How we identify marketing is that we are not spending too much on marketing right now. And what we are trying to do is that we approach the corporates. Maybe I'll come to the startup lanes for actually get some companies. We go and do a presentation of this one, where we create some sort of awareness why health prevention is important. In case if stuck with emergency, how you will be able to do this one. And these are the 5 bank loan requests have come, and also fitness requests have come. So many vendors who are all selling some healthcare products and all those things, especially femtech, women-based products and all, people are requesting us to onboard us so that their services will be reaching to the people. That's where we are.
I just want to tell you that your second round is with me, because I've already invested in IT, insurance. And in insurance, right now we are doing 2 vehicles, 2-wheelers and tractors and all that.
Okay.
My next is health insurance.
Okay.
And fintech. Fintech, we are working on this thing.
Okay.
So hopefully we would like to discuss this.
Sure. Thank you very much. And as rightly mentioned by Mr. Pavan, the market for health insurance is too high in India. Similarly, for personal loans is also very high. So what we find is we are very much thrilled, because moreover, what we are very happy is that we are trying to connect the people who require. For example, one of the cancer patient who could not spend more than 8-9 lakh rupees on tablets, we arranged with a vendor who can supply the same drug, generic drug, on that one at much lower cost. So it's some sort of, I get a feel that whether I succeed in this startup or not, that's different. But I am able to help some people who are able to connect on that one. This is what our pitch is there. Thank you very much.
Great. Appreciate it. Any questions? Are we?
Sir?
What is it apart from right now? You just said about it felt more of an outreach engagement.
Yeah.
Right. It was more of an outreach talk that you gave. So what is it that you're looking out for?
Actually, I'm looking for some funding right now, where I can build, because a lot of content should be actually it is required to add.
How much money have you made till now?
No, we are only
What is the
4-month-old
bootstrap?
startup. Though
Sir, let me.
yeah,
I understand all of that, but you would have some forecast in place, right?
yeah,
Some forecasting into your OPEX, CAPEX,
yeah.
outreach.
So that we have got a 5-year month-on-month financial modeling we have done, and I would like to introduce my wife. She is chartered accountant, and she herself is an investment banker. So she is.
Investment banker, I heard, right?
Yeah,
You have the money back home.
No. Investment bank. She is not investment banker. She has worked with investment banking firms and all, and arranged for funding for various firms. And
What more do you need? You have the Pandora's box with you.
we need the network basically, and as rightly mentioned by Mr. Pavan, that we want like-minded people. That is what very important for
That's
us.
the reason I asked you, because I didn't feel much of money that you are looking out for. You need more of network and onboarding through entrepreneur, like Enterprise Connects or the
Enterprise Connects is very important, because
the healthcare connects.
technology part to add some more, because app we have launched, and I need to add a lot of meat to the app, and also a lot of machine learning which we have to build.
figure out how are you going to get the data, right? So things
Huh,
like that.
that is very important. That is
Because
very,
everybody talks about machine learning, but the thing is they don't have a strategy for collecting data.
basically, I have devised a strategy for machine learning because my earlier startup is Nanovi Data and Analytics, 80-year-old startup, and basically we won a lot of awards from NASCOM, and also we were invited by UK government. I had a privilege of opening London Stock Exchange for one day, basically. Still it is running on, basically. This other one, which we thought, because I worked on machine learning models for various sectors. Then where I found that there is a gap, connecting gap, basically because I find that people who are all doing fitness, running marathons and all, dying of heart attack, basically. People feel that no, I am having enough health insurance, but the guys going to the hospital, they say that, oh, I got health insurance for 5 lakhs, but suddenly the health insurance company says 3 lakh only eligible. 2 lakh is running for bank loan, saying that no, I want loan. But the guy is already admitted in the hospital, where he will get the money that way. So I want to get a full user profile, behavioral profile completely, so that I can build the machine learning models to predict where he wants and whatever it is there. Data is all about the how he is behaving with respect to the preventive maintenance. Basically, whether he is taking any fitness courses and all those things. Number one. Number two is that related to the finance. Basically, see what we have done is that in terms of we are all in normal period. Basically, we are on normal period. What are the emergencies we may face with respect to health? That is very important for us. So what we do is that, what are the emergencies we may face and how well we should be prepared. First is that I am more than 40, close to 50 right now. The major emergencies I may face is related to diabetes and all those things, which I have to take care of it. Second thing, in case of emergencies, I should be protected enough with respect to money wise. Maybe I may have enough savings, but I don't know what are the things I may be facing on that one. So am I well equipped on that one? So what I have done for machine learning, answering your question, sir, I have, since I am from insurance sector and BFSI, and I worked on fintech also, created an idealistic database completely.
What I'm saying is, why should I give you data? What are you giving it in return from me today?
Huh.
So that your machine learning will work after some time.
Very, very well question, sir. Basically, for example, no, I approached a couple of enterprises. For example, no, like I approached a couple of enterprises last week saying that, please allow us, how I work on the model is basically, I go to the hospital. I went to Sagar and Fortis. I told that, can you please organize a medical camp for these people? I went to the enterprise and said that, it is like the joke of Lalu Prasad Yadav saying that, no, he will go to the Microsoft CEO saying that, can you manage my daughter, like that. What is there and all, like, then he will say that, why I should give my daughter to the one, because he is going to be the, he'll go to the President of United States saying that, can you please give your son to my daughter and all. Why I should give the daughter? Why I should give my son to your daughter and all? He is going to be the CEO of Microsoft. That way he will say. Then he'll go to the Microsoft CEO and say that, can you give a job to my son? The Microsoft will say, why I should give? Then he'll say that he's going to be the son-in-law of President of United States. That's the same logic what we are trying to give here is that, I went to the enterprises and say that, have you organized a camp as an HR engagement initiative? Right that. No, we have not done anything. If I make you allow some hospitals coming and doing a healthcare camp completely for free, will you be able to do this? Why not? We'll organize on that one. I went to the hospital saying that, can you do a camp over there and all? Why I should do that? There are some 100 people there. You may get some footfalls where you get some discount and all those things. Why not? I'll do it for free. I'll do it for free. We organize the camp. Then I organize some speakers to talk about the need for emergencies, fitness experts, nutrition experts, whatever it is there. What they get is basically they get some contacts, they get some customers at free of cost. So everybody is feeling that what I am going to do by signing in, I am not going to spend any 1 rupee on marketing.
How many you did?
I did only 2 camps right now, almost 100 plus downloads. Right now we are only 10 people, 6 people working on technology.
Stage of your technology.
The app is launched, beta version is launched. It is in the app store.
What do you mean by beta version? How many people, how many tractions you have done on beta version?
Close to 100. Close to 100. And out of which 15
The values to that beta version traction.
yeah, out of this, what we found is that 15 people have requested of health insurance policies. Because I have,
What is a segment? What, if example 15 people, what is the segment of the people? In the sense, what is the age group you're targeting?
it is,
Beta version, how did you categorize the age group and what is the 15 people?
it is between 25 and 40. 25 and 40. No, those two companies where I got is only between 25 and 40. The more potential will be there if it's more than 40.
So, for example, what was the key issue when you found between 25 to 40? What were the three main drivers?
Main drivers is first is that many people are all they are having dependent parents.
What are the three main drivers?
Basically,
Because time is.
dependent. They have dependent parents, but the income is very low, and
What is their health? Three drivers.
the health of them is somewhat better, but the health of dependence is a major cause of concern.
So if you're selling an insurance, you're selling insurance to everyone, right?
Huh.
So what are the three main drivers you found in your beta version? See, I'm just trying to understand your homework. Please,
Yeah, please.
how you are approaching the homework for an investment.
You can raise this. Basically, like what the drivers for the people to download the app. You mean to say that?
What are the beta version observation in terms of what are the three drivers? Medical.
Let me tell you, I think there are a couple of between 18 to 40%, which we have taken whether between high BP at a 19-year-old has a high BP, someone has a random blood sugar of say 300, not at that age, like at 40 I have just about 80, but a person at 18 has a high blood sugar and obesity. These are the three factors
So out of 100 people, what we did, almost like the 3-4 people had a high blood sugar, which is not supposed to be at the age group.
I understand. So how do you, for example, last question to end and because we are between this one. So what do you think that what is your success story? 5 years, 10 years, 15 years?
We have to write together, as rightly mentioned. That is, I'm very humble.
What is the projection? One answer.
5 years
Okay.
and 100 crores.
100 crores.
I have worked on the model, I can send it to you.
Great.
Month on month, she is very good at it. She has done lot many times on that one.
I can send that to you.
No, we are completely aligned. So
Yeah.
No, she is a chartered accountant and a cost accountant also, and she has worked on very good models.
investments are coming on fintech and
So
health.
we are focusing, see, it's a woman entrepreneur. I am also a founder of the company. So
Great.
we are focusing on femtech and fintech and insurance because he's
So on
the
behalf of Startup Lane, I can tell you that you have a
Thank you
second
so
round
much.
confirmed.
Thank you very much.